Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Real Life TV. Today we are diving in one of the most important aspects of Yoruba spirituality, the Ifa divination process. Whether you are curious about how it works or considering an Ifa reading for yourself, this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of this practice. Let's start by exploring what Ifa divination actually is. So what is Ifa divination? Ifa divination is a spiritual practice deeply rooted in Yoruba culture. It's a way to seek guidance, insight, and wisdom from the divine through Ifa. Through this process, practitioners known as Babalawos interpret messages from the Ifa, helping individuals navigate life's challenges and decisions. It's important to know that Ifa is not just about predicting the future. It's about understanding one's current circumstances and the potential paths forward. Now let's talk about the tools used in Ifa divination. The primary tool is the Opele, a divination chain made of 8 half seeds. There is also the Ikin, which are sacred palm nuts that serve a similar purpose. During the reading, the Babalawo will cast these tools and interpret the patterns that emerge. Each configuration has specific meanings, drawing from the rich tapestry of the 256 Odu Ifa, the sacred text that hold the wisdom of Ifa. So, how does the Ifa divination process work? Let's break it down into steps. Step 1, preparation. The process begins with preparation. The individual seeking guidance, known as the client, may be asked to make offering or perform ritual to honor the Orishas and ancestors before the reading. Step 2, consultation. The Babalawo will consult with the client, asking questions to understand their situation. This is a crucial step as it helps tailor the reading to the client's specific needs. In most cases, Babalawo do not have to ask questions before the reading begins. Step 3, casting the divination tools. Then comes the moment of casting the Opele or Ikin. The way these tools land will determine the Odu that is drawn. The Babalawo interprets these patterns, drawing upon their knowledge of the Odu Ifa. Step 4, interpretation. The Babalawo will provide insight based on the drawn Odu. This may involve storytelling, as many Odu contain parables and lessons relevant to the client's questions or concerns. Step 5, guidance and recommendations. The Babalawo may offer recommendations or rituals for the client to follow, helping them align with the guidance received during the reading. So, why is Ifa divination important in Yoruba spirituality? Ifa divination serves as a bridge between the physical and spiritual world, allowing individuals to gain clarity and direction in their lives. It fosters a deeper connection with the Orishas and encourages personal growth. The process is not just about receiving answers, it's about engaging in a dialogue with the divine. So, what do you expect from an Ifa reading? If you consider an Ifa reading, here are a few things to keep in mind. Be open and honest with your Babalawo. Approach the experience with respect and be prepared to engage actively in the process. Remember, every reading is unique and the insights you receive may not be what you expect. Trust that the guidance you get is meant to support your journey. Thank you for joining me today to explore the Ifa divination process. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insight into how this practice can guide your spiritual journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insight into Yoruba spirituality. Stay tuned for our next video. Until next time, keep seeking, keep growing, and embrace your spiritual journey.